The Solar Energy of Jenyah by Algar Merridge, aka Anton. Beneath the shell of rising summer, the effort is limited to the task for her. To creep away may be the only way to be a survivor. Boundaries are indicated by the established appearance and idea of the worker. Formalities lead to fulfilled desires. The peak awakens the inversion of fears. Anoint along the way to the preservation in nightmares. The points of Beltane to Lunasa fade in the externalization of outer darkness. One of the things represented in this story seems to remind one of some of those illustrations of Mesoamerican human sacrifices. How the blood would be allowed to flow down the stairs and all that. Another is the castration fears. But the castration fear is thought to be an inversion of, you don't want to be a woman. There's natural risks that one could expose your genitals to, that, one could be afraid of that. But some people say that that is, an idea of the female as, without the male parts. And, I guess that idea that people came up with could have been buried. What actually happens is mammals are base female. So, it's their genetics that makes them male. And I say solar energy, not just because of the time of the year, but that's a way that she is fed as well.